Hi, we're here to show you how to put together your display, and thank you so much for choosing LevelMaster for your display in your store. Tom's here today to take you through some of the guidelines to put this display together. First of all, you would have received in your package something similar to this, which has all the components wrapped up, including your core flute sign to put in a prominent place. Just come over here to Tom now, who's going to show you, first of all, we've supplied the display with two stringer sets. First of all, one's got an aluminium tread, the other one has a rough sawn hardwood tread, and the other one is a three-step tread with a Merbow tread already attached. The third component is the main stump, which Tom's showing you now, and then the other two components are some brochure holders and some DL brochures. We'll show you how to put those on a little bit later on.
The first one you put on is your two-stepper. Find the holes that are marked 2T. Cut quite easily and line it up. Now you want to hold onto the post while you're doing this, and then it's simply screw it in. It's nice and easy because we've already pre-drilled the holes for you. And then you come around to the other side and you do the same with the three-stepper.
Okay, here we are with our completed display. Tom's just going to show you now how to do the final part of the display, which is attach the brochure holders left and right to the house stumps. Now, we would have supplied some DL brochures with this as well, and these holders are to put those brochures in so your customers can grab them whenever they need them. So Tom's just going to explain how to attach the brochure holders now.
Yep. So as you see, we'll have two different holes pre-drilled on each side. Just quite easily grab it and drill it through. Just be careful of your fingers as you're doing so. Then you go on and do the same on the other side. Then they'll sit in there nice and easily like that. And we just use a little dog clamp, some sort of paper clip just to hold them in there. I will also just want to say something about with the adjustment of our top. We have tack welded onto the thread, so the top can't be taken all the way out and taken out, and that's just for additional safety reasons.